3.
Yeah. Times 3.
Terrence, are you feeling sorry for me? Bruh, what?
Guys,
Come
anyone
on.
with a
My
rose?
people.
How kids, how are you? Guys, anyone with a rose to activate the speed?
Nah, but this is going to be
Come on, guys.
Yeah,
Here's
but
times 3, Sia. You were begging for times 3. Tell time to come back.
Are you
Here's
sure?
times 3.
guys, can we please try?
Mbali nine speed.
Angizwani nomuntu okhuluma njalo. Like,
Oh, thank you, teacher.
We have
Bonsi.
spirit, but we don't have anything.
Angizwani nomuntu okhuluma
Ah,
njalo. Angizwani nomuntu okhuluma njalo. Bheka njengamanje sakuphindisela le 1.9k. 1.9 ngama-point aphilayo ekhanda. Hayi u-900, u-800. Ngikutshelele ukuthi abakufikise kwi-K at least 1k wahluleka kwamsinda. Ngisho ne-backup yami yenza kangcono kunayo level 16. I-backup yami yenza kangcono kunayo level 16. I-backup yami idropha 8k per day. Wena uzongitshela ngoba ama-coin lapha phezulu Roma ibhaliwe awunga-300 400 mase se-out for the whole week. Plus isonto kuyaqala umsombuluko kuyoze kushayele elinye isonto akanamali. Hayi vele nje uzama umbala akayiyeke isamabhodi kulate akahambe kodwa amabhede sekulile. Akhulaba hamba udinga amaglavu vele nje. Hawu beke sasho kushela izono ze-level 16 ze-raw.
Sisubuhlungu ne.
Kuhleka sengibuza ukuthi hleka. Level 16 obuhlungu. Level 16. Hayi kahle basika. Ngisho ne-backup yami level 2. Ngitshela level 16 uthi ngizwe ubuhlungu. Abazothi kutshelile abantu bakhona nabahleli abahlanye emakhaya. Sodlaliselo ba u900. Sodlaliselo u900. Wow. Ngobe sika. Lucky smile. Smile Lucky. Usmile ngempela. Bathiyane sekahambile uyovula lapha ufuna amaglavu. Sengajabula.
Uhambile vele ufuna ama-gift ukuthi akhona ubusa back ama-coins.
Blazi efana.
Siya ungathi usayofuna ama-glove ithi usayoyenza imali enye ukuthi a-replace le.
okay.
Yazi njengamanje ngempela uliye ekhulumile.
Guys, now I'm smokeless. Ow.
Guys, right now we are not smokeless, okay? God will bring someone. God will bring someone to save us.
Guys.
Guys, and the dark shadow is passing, but he doesn't want to support me.
Munati, umbali ushilo uthambe yomela le khoneni uveza inyashi. Shuthi ismoke sakho yasazi.
Thulani.
Taranzata mine.
Thulani. Yabona njengamanje nizothula tu igame iqala. Musu kushare live. Kushare live. Thula nje kahle. Yabona njengamanje game yonke ngithule kanje game yonke. Lucky hayibo ehla. Hawu. Ishe kwaba ngivele phone yabuya yathi phone yami. Hawu. Sikhuluma nabantu bami. Hayi Jessica. Danko lapho bafana for the heart. Awubani labo bonke abantu abangifileshana. Abantu babo. Ume wabangwena. Thank you for the follow. Ubami ngisho Lazaro Thola. Thank you for the follow.
Oh, thank you.
Uyanda ngicela uyofakela uLucky ifinger heart asale yedwa ku1 digit. Asale yedwa nje ku1 digit. Ngicela unefinger heart ayiLucky lawo babele bamthephela nice.
Terrence. Yeah, girl, abutishin.
Terence, me, I will block you.
I thought he was even being genuine. Can't you are mocking us? Terence, I will block your ass.
Why? Because it's gifting you.
He is mocking us.
Gifting you. Namanzi hamba niyo-withdraw emva kwalokhu nini. Akaka komunye. Usala ukuganga komunye. Ndizohamba niyo-exchange noma ndizohamba niyo-recharge, niyo-nakhunze, niyo-withdraw. Mase ngizoyenza block. Kukancane umbali naye. Usejabula ukuthi at least 3 digits for once again.
If it was possible for me to lose
Thula. Ubanga umsindo. Nencombo. Mlonyeni. Qhufu. Nanko. You're lute. Close it. Hi, Simon. The success one. I'm going to follow you. Thank you for the finger hearts, guys. At least, how you doing? It's 8 on the third. Usho futhi mawuzodinga umuntu ozocollectela ama-gloves ozocollecta ngayo ama-gloves. Mina ngizokunikeza igame base uthola ama-gloves. Bekumele nimbonge mina nje when Mbali the fact that he did it raw. Then I'm going to raw. Ngidlala on i-glove, nakhona i-glove ngifama donata i4, ngihamba niyo-recharge ngifama ama-finger heart, bese iphele imali ngaleyo mzuzu ungasazi ukuthi uzokwenzani. It's very tough outside. Hayi leli game. Wait, Diamond, what did you say? Where you get something to say from? Hayi amase yaqhayi noma ungakrola ngiyakubona and ngiyakuphoqa ukuthi ufake ihati yakho. Thank you for that heart. Usana leya nkinga usabhekene naleya nkinga uma sovele siyenze ngomsombuluko sesolayithelana amagaraji. No, ngiyakubuza usana leya nkinga namande yanginayinkinga nakho ikalahari.
Guys, thank you so much, my people. You guys are amazing.
Thank you so much, Diamond.
You guys are beautiful. I really appreciate you and I love you, okay? Guys, we need to tap. Larry, how are you? We need to power tap, guys, okay?
Ngiyabonga Nkosi yami. Thank you Ntuthuko Nkosi yami ngiyabonga.
Guys, don't worry, ismo siyasiphelile manje. Ismo siyasiphelile manje.
Yeah.
Substitute.
Guys, let's continue tapping, okay?
Hayi ukuthi ngiyanziba. I'm losing. Ngiyabe ngidliwe. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live?
Please tap.
Inunani qhayiya manje?
I've been restored. I've been renewed. I've come alive because of you. Guys, please let's tap. Guys, did you leave me? Did you go, guys? Did you go, all of you? Am I alone?
I'm a migraine. I know that one.
Am I alone, guys, because I'm sitting on 0? Am I left alone, guys?
Thank you,
Guys,
Kolani.
please
Ngiyabonga
tap.
Rose Kolani. Thank you,
Thank
Rose.
you.
Thank you, Kolani. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Ngiyabonga Kolani Rose ne. Ngiyabonga.
Okay, since you went yesterday, how are
Thank
you?
Thank you, Kolani, with them ice creams. Thank you.
So, like, since you went yesterday, how is it today? Is it better or is it still the same? If
Aw,
it's still the same,
Kolani, with
we'll
an
have to
ice
go
cream,
back.
ngiyabonga, Kolani.
Oh. But just be
Thank
careful
you, Kolani,
because
ngama ice cream, Nkosi yami, ngiyabonga, Nkosi yami, ngama ice cream.
2-3 days.
Ngiyabonga
Tony,
ama ice cream,
Mara,
ngama ice
playing
cream,
silent game. Please help me, Tony.
amaningi.
Oh, my
Thank you, Kolani,
Tony.
with them ice
Tony,
cream.
please, one rose.
Oh,
Thank you
Kolani,
so
with them
much, Tony,
ice
and
cream.
Immortalized. Please help, guys. It's a tough game. Oh, my
ukungidlalele
God.
kanye empilweni
Thank you,
yakho.
Kolani, ngama ice
Hlonipha
cream,
amasu.
Nkosi yami. Faka ama ice cream, waya, Kolani.
Oh,
Ama
Tony.
ice cream,
Once it
waya,
is-
Thank
Fake
you.
mhlampe i-Leon.
Thank you so much, Tony.
Uzohlezi
Let's wait for
ukhona.
speech challenge to start, guys, okay? Let's wait for speech challenge to start.
But yeah,
DJ Waka, guys, let's try our best, okay? Let's try,
Kolani, with
guys.
them ice
Times
cream,
two.
ngiyabonga, Kolani.
Times two.
Kolani, with them
Times
ice
two.
cream.
Come on, guys. Tony, thank you. Guys, please, let's try our best. We can get to 500 guys and silence them.
uyazibona.
Tony, can you please drop a hand heart? Can you please drop 2 hand hearts, Tony?
Leon.
He doesn't have smoke anymore.
Thank you, Kolani Dube, with them ice cream.
So much, Sisi, for
Ooh,
the
Kolani,
Thank you so much.
with them ice creams.
Ngiyabonga sis. Ngiyabonga sis. Nye, smoke no more. In the community. Yeah, I want to vent. Kwenzani zami? Bakwenzani na sibashaya? Bakwenzani sibashaya?
Thando lwethu umphile. Guys, come on, guys, come on.
I-500
There's no smoke. No one will silence us now. No one will silence us. At the moment, nobody will silence us, guys. So let's keep tapping, keep sharing the live, guys.
Yona venting session yakho le.
Thank you, Kolani. Thank you, Kolani, ngama ice cream, because I'm so weird. Paka ma ice cream kuphela, Kolani. Ma ice cream kuphela.
Asoze ngakwenza lokho. Asoze.
Thank you, Kolani. Dube, the Dubes. Ngiyabonga ma ice cream. Paka ma ice cream kuphela, wena. Kolani, level 9 in the building, ngama ice cream, because I'm ngiyabonga, Kolani. Ngiyabonga, Kolani, level 9 in the house.
Ngiyaphila njani sibaba? Nayi sisi unephutha.
Kolani, with them ice cream. With them ice cream.
Ya, mangicabanga leyo. Ukugcina ngitshela ukuthi kuye emall wadla. Masikwaye khona.
Lindiwe, Manana, how are you? DMK, yeah, DMK. No good tomorrow. DMK, why are you running away from me today?
Ngizowina lokho ngiyakwazi. Mina ngicelile
DMK, please snipe guys so that he doesn't win.
Angakazobala.
Yes! Uzowina kuphi in your dreams. Please, DMK, snipe so that he doesn't win. Let's pass this. Let's pass his score, guys. Yeah, Bo. Yes. Need your win. Guys, come on. There's nothing the last minute's good for you. DMK, please don't go. DMK, please don't go. Please don't leave me, DMK, okay? Let's try our best.
Aya ume kancane ngisabonga abantu mina nginabantu engizobabonga. Thank you Sisi, thank you Vuma says. Thank you Zama Mihlezi, Nigza. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
Nawe lapho. Thank you so much guys. Nginabantu kumele
Thank you so much my people. You guys are amazing, okay?
Nginabantu mina kumele ngibabonge ngokukhethekile. Angifani nawe.
Oh.
Mina abantu ngibabonga ngokukhethekile.
Guys, times 2, let's go. DMK, please don't go. Don't go, okay? They don't have smoke. They're smokeless. They don't even know how to play. They snipe on the last minute. Times 2, please. Times 2, guys. Toki, thank you for tapping.
Mana.
Guys, let's all tap.
Thank you for that me. Sisayavela nama-comment akho ngoba mina ngawaboni. Mhlambe kudala utype kodwa ngawabona
Thank you
ama-comment
Xolani
akho. Ngoba
ngama-rose.
sekunaleyo nkinga leyo.
Ngiyabonga
Ngoba idona
Mxola with them
like
roses.
kunaleyo nkinga.
For two,
Thank you Mxola.
you and I, Jesus.
Sekwaba naleyo nkinga. Uke wathi
You are
ikhona
all
lethizwe noma ugcine lokhu ukuthi mina ngilahlile ngingakilahlanga uzongibheca ngobeni inyama angayidlanga. Abantu.
Come on, my people.
Ya nakho. Ngibheca nje ngobeni inyama angayidlanga usisi. Uyazi wena uthanda ukudla. Ukuthi ngiyabona ka-WhatsApp kancane ukuthi ngingene lezi like hayi kwagcina
Guys, be challenged here.
yo
Chloe, if you have
Thank
content,
you
please drop a rose.
Mxola. Thank you Dube ngama-rose.
Please help us with a rose on times two.
Somewhere wedwa Dube.
Please help us with a rose on times two.
Dube faka i-rose bezivule. Awu ngiyabonga Dube. Dube the Dubes with them roses.
Ngiyabonga Sibasi. Wenakho yawulela. Oh because ungitshela ukuthi uyazi
Ngiyabonga Dube with them roses. Dube Mfundo sawubona.
ngiyathola like yes you can by all means yes.
Bathi wena uyabala. Dube with them roses. Ngiyabonga Dube ngama-rose. Wena uyabala.
My brother. Let's wait for times two so that we can go harder. Okay? Let's wait for times two and go harder.
Ngathi ni-activate enzima mbala senisithi go harder manje.
No, we activated harder. You see, we don't activate with
Ni-activate
roses.
kabuhlungu.
DMK, thank you. DMK, please drop
Ngenzela
pepper cranes
iplani
again.
ukubona.
DMK, please
Ngicela
drop pepper
ungifikise
cranes
ku-500 Thuthuko,
so that
ngifuna
they
ukhona
can
into
help
engifuna
us,
ukuyikhuluma,
okay?
ngiyacela bhuti wami.
Come on,
Ungifikise
DMK. Come on,
ku-500 or
DMK.
600.
Come
Khona
on,
into engifuna
DMK.
ukuyikhuluma.
Come on. Two pepper cranes will silence those people.
Good. Yo
Silence
yashaya.
abo bani.
Yo yashaya futhi. Yo yashaya.
Wow.
Double glove.
Hey, shut up Nina. Thuthuko. Thank you. Shut up Nina. Shut up Zinja. Yes. Thank you Kolani. Thank you Thuthuko bhuti wami. Kunini khuluma. Esiya. Waza wena ubunyama bakho wazana wenza ngathi wazala isibhedlela sithe. Ubhizi nywe. Nywero wena mbali wena. Hey, stop smiling on my cause yabonga. Yes. Ayimunati. Uthulile Nkosi yami. Nina sibona sithulile xa siyahlanya nathi ubhizi ukhuluma idodo wakho bakujuda la bakutshela ukuthi nywero nisakushaya thina sanimura la mbali nywero I must go back to what yazini nathi mfethu mele mina ngisuke la ku-streaming ngizothempela wena iscreen inkinga thina zwani ngokushaya abantu ngama-donuts ayi-3-4 siphelelwa bo sifuna hard njengawe so hard we go hard masishaya sishaye ngabo 300-200 ngiyabonga Xolani Nkosi yami Thuthuko bhuti wami ngiyabonga kakhulu hayi ningazami ukusniper nathi angeke nisniper khululeka ningazami mbali ungahawulisi kube ukuthi you guys are the best ebantwini bakho bayi-best vele we know they are the best. Hey nathi mfethu ubuso bakho ngathi ubaziwe ngathi uyinompopo obaziwe lo yabo uyi-structure kahle kahle wena ufanelwe i-museum wena ufanelwe i-museum. Thank you Xolani mele uye museum wena.
As you see why we couldn't give those people a chance.
Museum is crazy.
Guys, you see why we shouldn't give them a chance. DMK, thank you so much. DMK, please. Whatever you are doing, it really means a lot to me.
Amazing.
Whatever you are doing.
Guys,
Let me go.
Guys,
restart
back
it.
my
I'm
kid.
smokeless.
Eh?
Let me hurry up. Let me go restart because I called.
Okay, restart speaking. We are waiting.
Uzobuya
Please
so
be
west
fast.
una restart.
Ayagqila
Awu
vele.
ngiyabonga Thixuko
Guys, you see
ngiyabonga
why we
ngiyabonga
shouldn't give these
mkola
people a chance to
dimkola.
talk.
Yeah,
You
let's
see
allow
why?
them to restart and
Relax,
let them
relax,
so
sunshine.
so guys,
DMK
Tell
is
me
still
about
here.
your
Are you still here, my friend?
Nihamba kanjani usuku leni? Nihamba kanjani
Hey,
usuku leni guys?
wena Africa.
Khulumeni.
Yabona kudlalwa njani manje? We don't
Khulumeni.
play small team. For 200, what? We want big. We play big.
For us it's been raining. It's been raining. Usuku alihambi. Samkela ngizomblock. Mina nje ngiyablockana mina. Oh gorgeous, how was your day? Crazy. Hi Pop.
Hey, Pops.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live?
Yeah. Let's even double tap guys.
Mekele mcola nkosi yami. Hayi mekele ngiyabonga mcola nkosi yami ngamaro. Mina chubeka nje
You
mcola
wanna
ubambe
let
kanjani.
smoke crack for 1 minute? He's not gonna play again. Guys, times 3, please tap, guys. Come on. DMK, where are you? Guys, if you drop a paper crane, it's gonna tap, guys. Come on, guys.
Thank you,
Come on.
Mcola. Thank
Guys,
you,
come on. I
Mcola.
can't be on 0. Guys,
I wanna guys, look at the present wife. Umakoti wami lo. Respect her coins. How? See. Yeah, ubusathini wena lakhe? Ubuthini ngami? Ala lapho bese ucima sehlaka isicima sakhe sekitchen uya ukubanga isidingo. Yey. Ha, ulakho uyeyisi lakhe. Ulakhe angazi indaba, kodwa kunale nhloko yokuthi ufanele ama-dread. Kunakho la umfanele. Angazi into yakhe. Manje usho isicima sakho ufuna nekitchen. Sifuna nje isicima sakho. Uyohlala uphocobale kanje. Ulakhi. And lo wezulu akona nalo wesilisi lo uyawubona. Thank you so much. Hayi ayibalingani Rose. Nakho. Nasabali Rose. We. Okay, sengibuza kunina enza ama activity speed. Liyabali Rose lapho. Like, ucela umuntu wakho labafaka iRose elilodwa for sure khona. Baze sachaphazela. Abantu abaningi kanje abasenda ama-rose wabantu. Inkinga TikTok le. TikTok. Mbali, ismoke sakho phela kusihambe le ekseni asiphindanga sabuye. Phela kusihambe ekseni asiphindanga sabuye ismoke sakho. Manje uku-3. Wema uku-3. Njengoba uthephile umuntu oyedwa. Thank you so much Ncane for the donut. Njengoba yabona njengoba ngithi sidlala ngama-1K. At least ulakho ufikile kuyi-1000. Engaba nalo igunya lokukhuluma ubufikile kuyi-1000. Mase uthola abantu laba abaseceleni kodwa nje. Unathi ukuthula kwakhe akuchazile uthule sengazathi awukho nanokuba khona kule phone athi sidlala besibathathu kodwa namanje sesiba u2 ngoba nombala kasekho sambala asambala wena nje ubuye uthi wona lapha chairman friend unathi no umas the filter for small is not going you any good shame if it ends you bad the filter is not going you mutesa. How? Welakhi indaba ngifolusha umuntu ethi ulakhi la. How? Nazi inkinga zami zelo. Angimnandi chairman bafana. Yini isikhathi? Bahle yini? How? Angithi bebengangixoleli mina la. Bebengangixoleli. Umbali ubeka la. Bekangimela umbali. Bekangimela nje ngale ntumpe emela. Beka busy nami. Hey, stress. Hawu, bekabhizi nami fam. Unathi yena ismoke asikho. Yena akuyena nane-smokeless, angazi ebiza ngani. Aqale ngisho nomlilo, akwenzeki lutho. Kusafakwa amaphepha lapha kwi-Bright app. Angazi ukuthi kuzokuthiwa. Unathi nje angimazi like awukho nana-smokeless, uless. Awukho smokeless, uless. Like, hayi ngeke. Try something, fiya 100 without usizo la Terence ubeka kuzwena. Fiya 100 at least yeah. Ngicela nje ufike 100. Mbali ubizi uyashaya umbali akashera kashera ubuya ngokuzolala. Ubona ngendlela kaProsa babize no less awukho. Hey nje yena ya lo muntu ubhizi yahleka kodwa usithi. Uthi ngigcoba lapha ama-lip gloss lapha. Thank you so much, Smash. Woo! Nani, Smash. Thank you so much, Samuel Nako G, Steamy Chairman Vamos.
Thank you so much, Nico Sam. Thank you to everyone who was tapping the screen.
Thank you,
Guys,
guys.
sizobathola la sibathola khona. Ha. Unathi usayesend i-viewers. Iyabona ismoke sakhe siye. Ngizobona. Ngizobona ismoke nizothi angitshela.
Nova, how are you?
Ismoke siyeza manje ngizobona. DMK, please don't go. Okay? Don't go. Don't go. Let's try. Let's try.
Alindile sawubona bayekele behamba.
Silaza ngama-tap, silaza ne-celebrity ngama-tap asambeni.
Don't allow them to frustrate you, okay? I love the way you are playing. It's better than us being on zero.
Oh.
Guys, let's tap. Can we please tap? Guys, please tap. Times 2, guys. Times 2. I told you. What did I say? I know. Guys, please tap.
She is my sister, ne? Please. Don't give
on,
people
guys.
the mentality that I said views.
Guys, come on.
Thank you so much.
Then you'll start seeing 1K coins there. Guys, come on.
Yeah. It's on.
Come on, guys.
Thina siku-half wakhe ngama-tap.
Guys, I'm sitting on 3. Like, is sitting on 0.
After what?
Guys, please tap. If you are here, you're watching me and you are not tapping, just know that you are a bad person. If you are here sitting watching me and you are not tapping, just know that you are a bad person. A very bad person. And God doesn't love that.
Noma ungabathreathena mbali mabe ngafuni ukuthepha abafuni ukuthepha.
Samkelo uyakwazi ukugifta. Wow.
I'm not threatened. I'm telling them the truth. But look at the flavor.
Guys, can we please have one more?
Yeah, Destiny helper, please locate me. Sure. Ngizami ziyashintshana yazi. Kufike ngalo fefe. Oh, kana ngelo raro bahamba ngelo. Ukhethe.
Yeah, Charles.
Thank you, but it's late. But thank you.
I told you.
Thank you so much. Unfortunately, we did not unlock the speed. That was raw coins. But thank you so much. Oh, also, you guys can shut the fuck up. Mbali, you were right. I did send a view once. That's why I'm leading. That's what you guys wanted. Thank you. Thank you, UNICEF. That's why I'm leading. Because that's what you guys think, right? See ya. Please now. Please. Do you know who you're talking to? Do you know who I am? See, you're a small boy. Small boy. These are all coins, by the way. You want smoke and then you feel like you're only on TikTok. Mbali is right. You should go back to gifting. This streaming thing is now working out for you. Your smoke is literally streamers. You don't have actual gifters. You go like this. And Lucky, what did you say about me? What did Lucky say? You said I should give up on streaming or something like that. Oh, you said my color. What about my color? He did say something about my color. Okay, I thought so. Humble yourself. And then Bali Sisi, maybe you should take notes from me and go send your punani too. Because why you give people the mentality that I'm sending my punani to get smoke? And either way, even if you did send view ones, no man would literally even view it. Because your punani, I told you, it's tired. It's tired. You think you can go harder on me, Bali? Bali, I'm not a child. You know that. Humble yourself and bow down. I'm not a child. Don't fuck with me. Unisir, thank you so much.
We need to go harder.
Munachingeka kuhlasela mina.
Oh, Bathi Katele.
Munachingeka kuhlasela mina. Eh?
You said something about me being a yellow.
Thank you so much, Mshana. Thank you so much, Yellow Eyes. Thank you so much. Thank you, see me, Chairman.
I didn't say anything.
We undertake.
I'm not afraid. I'm not.
But he exhausted.
I'm not.
But he eats it.
I see.
I'm feeling taste. Come on, guys.
Thank you. Someone said I should go and stream at Facebook. Someone. I think it was Sia. Sia, I think you should. Booty, not on my fucking coins. Please, not on my coin. And Mbali, why are you talking to your husband on my coin? Thank you. Thank you, Eunice. Maybe you should go and stream it at Facebook. Lucky, and that was a view on Smoke Butine. Even if you look there trying to look innocent and sad, that was a view on Smoke. Your people should do better. Okay? Yes, your people should do better. Maybe you should also send view ones. You should send your morenge. Yes. No, guys, don't laugh on my coin. Don't laugh on my coin. Bali, we know that is the finger you go hard on your clit, but please, my sister, please. Thank you so much for unlocking this. Bali, let's see your hairline. Let's see your hairline, my sister. See ya. See ya. Booty, please. Don't be showing nonsense. Your people are not gonna do shit. Your people are broke. They're not gonna do shit. Let me see who's tapping for you there. Aw. Aw. Shame. They're not gonna reach this point. They won't. You have a bunch of thirsty broke bitches that side. Yeah. Thank you, Eunice. Thank you for taking the title, Gifter. Guys, I think since we played, has been the highest score amongst us, ne? Thank you so much. Zulu girl, please renew your heart me.
Why so not?
Mbali,
Oh, look.
please, my sister, love yourself. Sia, did you hear what I said? You have a bunch of broke bitches that side. All they do is comment, comment, comment. That is all they know. And tap until their fingers are like this. Yes. I am Bali. Play the fucking game, guys. Bali was right. I was just looking at you going crazy over 1K coins. Like, the fuck? Humble yourself. Because I knew that once my smoke comes, it's chai. Bali, you, like, 500 coins. It was not even 500. It was, what? Donuts on the glove. Your people can't even reach 5K. You guys are too small for me. Should I disconnect and go play other big streamers? Because I feel like I'm uplifting you guys here. Because I feel like I'm here uplifting you guys. You guys are not giving me a game.
Yourself.
I told you that this one, she only gets smoke when she send view once. Guys, you pray that we don't win, my sister. Just pray. Just pray that I don't win.
When you took a deal for the night, yeah.
Leave me alone when.
When I saw cosplay for the night, like, ngizwe lokho. Okunye nokunye. Bathe bathe inokudidibala ngizwe lokho mina. Hayi ngiyisa na TikTok. Hayi ngiyakubona. TikTok. Hayi ngiyisa. Yasho leyo nto. Somdongo sangena. Awe ma. Mbali. Next, musishela. Ya wena, my viewers, ngikuwena. W17 in house. Yamqumbalala ngikuwena. Iplan othi kubhekele yona, othi kubhekele yona futhi. Fast kungazikelele. 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 Mana. Uyayibona le nto? Uyayibona le nto le? Uyayibona? Mase uyobheka esipilini ne? Mase uyobheka esipilini. Mase uyifaka iweave. Oh no, ikanini yagilaza. Uweke loyo. Thank you for ngiyabonga kancane. Buya mbali. Musile ubheka le bishi nawe. Buya. Benikhuluma ngama viewers sesikuyona ke lento yini. ubengcingeni Yusuf uthe 2 matches wafika wathini ivideo lapho uthoyeka noma wenzani 2 matches ngama match ayi2 nje wenzeni nikhokha via TikTok guys yekeni ngizonilima ukhulise yini manje leyo nto welakhi ungazosuzela ngale eceleni wena haw alo ima kambe ubayeka abantu amthithi hey kodwa ayulakhi ngeke uyaseyisa wena manje uthatha at least thatha isitulo uyosifaka ekamereni uye usimele dining room noma isekitchen la ukhona thatha ukise ekamereni noma ungabeka embedeni ifoni mase isitulo eceleni ke mase asikho ungadla aba activatanga abenza ngalutho caba ngo330 Jehova into engayikhala but sabula umdidi ubebhizi sabula umdidi lapho kulaki abanye kulaki nje guys i-celebrity enjani engenaso celebrity hayi thana ungafika uzoba i-celebrity ungabaso Jehova futhi khona ungalunganga ngapha uma wenza mina action manje nevideo lawa abo YouTube sikhathele na ukudelela kuyimisibanqo sikhathele na ukudelela ya kunuka igqili hayi phela khona ekhathele khona ehambe idlula ko WhatsApp so nje kuhlukile kunuka nje igqili uba i-celebrate ulapho angazi uma nama-followers ethanda 25k kodwa mina ngithinga kunuka nje wena igqili khona angazi kodwa ukuthi angifuni ukuempefeza kuleli point show unathi ngoba hey big dog ugqilazile uyathele yebo indwangu mayomile wayifaka emanzini injalo ivele ithi kanjalo ya ulakhi vele samfana lakhi for sure uzothola ukuthi una-29 kodwa ungaka wathola ukuthi una-29 kodwa usebukisa umuntu ona-47 50 kanje mase kukhumuleka isigqoko ungafind out izinto ey'lungile ama-followers akhe angikwazi ayithanda uzothatha iscreen abantu abawu-2 thank you so much mncane angisafuna ukugqilaza sekuright present wives
guys nami ngicela ukristata masinga ngiyabuya manje no
Thank you, Tana, for the follow. Thank you, Tana.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tana, for the follow. Thank you, Tana. Tana, if you see me quiet, I'm losing. We are playing a quiet game, so I'm not ignoring you. It's just I'm losing.
We are building you. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate you. This is cut my shy. Let me do it very badly. Plus, I want to see something. Wait, I want to check something. Man, I can restart again. I can restart. How? Because I'm illegal.
Hi, sorry, I didn't hear you. Ngithukhuluma nabantu bethu.
One thing we need to check up.
Guys, come on, guys. They better pray I don't lead.
Okay, why send that? Hi, Tana.
Guys, we're playing 500 silent game. Okay, please tap the screen for me. I hope I'm not gonna regret restarting. I hope. Monday.
Yo, guys, tap the screen. I'm not done, man.
Guys, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Wait, Bonang. I didn't see your comment, Shem. I'm sorry. How are you doing, Bonang?
Mama Kasela, it's a